In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Xero to your bank account. Allowing you to seamlessly integrate your financial records and automate your bookkeeping is a game changer for small business owners and accountants alike. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to the Xero website. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do so with the credentials you normally use. Now that you've entered your Xero dashboard, let's focus on setting up that important link to your bank account. Look for the Accounting tab in the main navigation menu. It's usually near the top of the page. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu filled with options. We want to choose Bank Accounts from this list. By selecting this, you will be taken to another page where you can manage all your bank connections and set up new ones. On the new page, you should see an option to Add Bank Accounts. Click on this option to begin the process of linking your bank to your Xero account. Now you're going to be presented with a list of banks. This is where Xero makes it super easy by providing a comprehensive list for you to choose from. Take a moment to find your bank from this list. Don't worry if your bank offers multiple services or branches. Simply select the one that matches your account. Once you've found and clicked on your bank, look for the Continue button. Clicking it will lead you to a login page where you'll be prompted to enter your bank credentials. You're going to need the username and password you usually use for online banking. Enter these details carefully to ensure there are no hiccups in the process. After logging into your bank, you'll need to follow the prompts that appear on your screen. This usually involves verifying your identity, so be prepared for any additional security questions or codes that your bank might require as part of their normal security protocol. Each bank has slightly different processes, so just go with the flow and provide any additional information they request. And there you have it. Once you complete these steps, you will have successfully connected your bank account to your Xero account. This integration will allow your transactions to flow directly into Xero, ensuring that your financial data is always up to date. It's a fantastic way to save time and significantly reduce the risk of human error when managing your books. Feel free to explore the features available with this newfound connection. You can now set up automatic bank feeds and reconcile accounts with ease. It's truly a powerful tool that turns a typically tedious task into something straightforward and efficient. Keep discovering new ways to streamline your accounting process and grow your business with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.